guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Jenifer back again with another video. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support your girl Jennifer. If you are just passing by and you are seeing this channel for the first time, please do me a favor, kindly subscribe to join the family, guys. You are highly welcome, everyone. On today's video, we are going to be making chocolate banana bread as you are seeing here right now. Guys, without wasting much further, let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, I will be using all-purpose flour. As you can see here, I'm just trying to save my flour so it will be smooth. Guys, I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Depends the bread you want to make. Depends the quantity, how you want it to be bigger. You can use as much flour as you want. So guys, here I will be adding my ingredients. I'm adding my cinnamon powder. So I will be adding some salt. Then later I will add baking powder. I will just go ahead and mix it together, guys. So guys, after mixing it together, I will set it aside. So guys, here I will be matching my ripe bananas. You can use overripe bananas, guys. So I'm just matching my bananas together so it will become kind of smooth. Okay guys, as you can see here, I've matched it. You see how it looks now. You can continue matching it or you can leave it like this, but I'll keep matching it till it become more smoother. So guys, that is it. Okay guys, I will be adding my white sugar right away. Then I will add some brown sugar. Then later on, I will add the rest of the ingredient, that is my egg. I will be adding half cup of milk, guys. You can add as much as you want, like I said, depends how you want. I will be adding some vanilla just for that aroma, guys. Then I will add my oil. So guys, I have to together so it will mix everything together, guys. So guys, I will keep on mixing it together, guys, as you can see right here. I'll keep going, guys, keep mixing. Okay guys, keep mixing. Guys, that is my chocolate right there. I'm just going to add some all-purpose flour to mix it together, as you can see right here. So guys, after that, I'm going to add my mixed flour in my banana mixture, as you can see right here, guys. Very easy recipe. you can make for the Christmas, guys. You know, Christmas is around the corner. This is perfect for Christmas breakfast, guys. Very easy to make and children love it a lot. My kids love this banana bread a lot. Every time they always telling me, Mommy, can you make banana bread for us? So guys, try it out. You see, you will love it. Your kids will love it. Your family will love it. So guys, we keep on mixing all of them together so all will be mixed together, guys. So guys, we are still mixing together. So I will be adding my chocolate in my mixture. So guys, check it out. You keep mixing till all are mixed together. Guys, please check out my previous video I make on banana bread. That I did not add chocolate, so you can check it out if you prefer without no chocolate, guys. That is still nice, very very nice without no chocolate. So guys, I'm going to add my mixture to my baking pan, as you can see right here, and I will bake it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes for 190 grams. Okay guys, very easy recipe you can easily make for your family, guys. Try it and give me feedback. I love to hear from you whenever you try my recipe, guys. That will be lovely when you give me your feedback, guys. So I'm just going to add some chocolate on top, as you can see right here, guys. So guys, I'm going to bake in the oven, like I said, 35 to 40 minutes, guys, for 190 grad. Then I'll come back with the final result, guys, with our banana bread ready to be eaten. Okay guys, our banana bread is ready, guys. Check it out. Very very nice and yummy. Tastes very good, guys. Try it out and give me your feedback in the comment section. Hope you love this video. If you do, please kindly share with your friends and family and subscribe to this channel, guys. Jenifer Nadi channel. Until we see in our next video, guys. Bye bye.